Understanding Litecoin, LTC, Mining, a Comprehensive Guide. Litecoin, LTC, created in 2011 by Charlie Lee, is often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Like its predecessor, it operates on a decentralized network and utilizes a proof-of-work consensus mechanism to secure its blockchain. This article delves into the intricacies of Litecoin mining, providing detailed insights for individuals interested in exploring this facet of cryptocurrency. What is Litecoin mining? Litecoin mining involves validating transactions, closing blocks in the blockchain, and introducing new blocks. Miners compete to solve complex cryptographic puzzles, leveraging computational power to generate valid hashes. When a miner successfully creates a solution to a block, they receive a reward in Litecoin. The current reward is 6.25 LTC, a figure that halves roughly every 4 years in an event known as halving. How does it work? The mining process centers around a software application that produces a hash from the data included in a proposed block. A nonce, a number added to the hash to obtain the desired output, is adjusted until the output hash is below a predetermined target. This target varies in difficulty based on the overall network activity, ensuring that blocks are mined at a consistent rate. 1. Hash generation. The miner generates a hash from the proposed block information. 2. Nonce adjustment. If the generated hash exceeds the target, the nonce is incremented and hashed again. 3. Reward claiming. The first miner achieving a valid hash receives the block reward. Halving events. Litecoin undergoes a halving every 840,000 blocks, approximately every 4 years, reducing the miner's reward. For example, the last halving occurred in August 2023, reducing the mining reward to 6.25 LTC. The next anticipated halving is projected for mid-2027, which will decrease the reward to 3.125 LTC. This mechanism helps control the supply of Litecoin, making it a deflationary currency. Is Litecoin mining profitable? The answer to this question depends heavily on various factors, including investment in hardware. ASIC miners, such as the Antminer L7, are among the most efficient, capable of mining at 9.5 GH/s, gigahashes per second. However, their initial investment can be substantial, costing up to $5,000. Electricity costs. Operating ASIC miners consume significant amounts of energy. For instance, the Antminer L7 may incur around $10 daily in electricity costs. Over the course of a year, this can add up to thousands in operating expenses. Mining pool fees. Joining a mining pool, where multiple miners work collaboratively and share rewards, can enhance your chances of earning. However, pool operators typically charge fees, which will affect your overall profit. Profit potential. Mining Litecoin profitably in isolation is quite challenging due to the increasing difficulty and market centralization. Solo miners may find themselves waiting extended periods to successfully mine a block. Using a mining pool can help mitigate this risk, providing a more stable revenue stream, albeit at reduced payouts per block. Getting started with Litecoin mining. If you're motivated to venture into Litecoin mining, here's a step-by-step process to get started. 1. Acquire appropriate hardware. Invest in ASIC miners if you're serious. High-performance CPUs and GPUs are no longer viable options due to their inefficiency. 2. Choose a mining pool. Research mining pools and assess their fees, uptime, and payout methods. F2 Pool and Ant Pool are popular choices among Litecoin miners. 3. Set up your mining equipment. Follow the pool's guidelines to set up and configure your mining software. 4. Select a wallet. Choose a secure wallet to store your LTC. Options include software wallets like Exodus or hardware wallets for enhanced security. Future of Litecoin mining. While mining Litecoin is less popular compared to Bitcoin, it is still actively mined, with a trading volume exceeding $312 million as of May 2024. However, the question remains, does Litecoin have a long-term future? Market predictions and investment viability. Cryptocurrency markets are notoriously volatile, making it difficult to forecast long-term price movements accurately. Nevertheless, Litecoin's established history may offer some stability. Price volatility. Prices can vary dramatically, and what seems to be a worthy investment today might not be so in the future. Utility. Litecoin continues to maintain its relevance as an alternative for faster transactions due to its shorter block generation times. Considerations. When weighing your options, consider the purpose of mining and your risk tolerance level. If looking for steady returns or a safe investment, Litecoin may not fit the bill perfectly. If you are open to high-risk speculation, it might represent a unique opportunity. Conclusion. Litecoin mining offers a practical entry point into the world of cryptocurrency, though it's becoming increasingly complex and competitive. For those venturing into mining, it is crucial to conduct thorough research into hardware, energy costs, and pool selections to maximize profitability. Given its rich history and ongoing developments, Litecoin may still present unique opportunities for those willing to engage actively in the mining process. However, always weigh risk against potential rewards before diving into this intricate landscape.